that go onto the aircraft.
So just go ahead and slide them down a little bit.
We don't just do bombs, we do missiles. We manage and deliver the big, high-caliber rounds that fire out of most of the aircrafts in our fleet. Everyone on this base does something to get those jets in the air and those pilots their flight hours. The funny thing I like to say is, if it wasn't for us, they'd just be flying UAVs up there. They would just be doing reconnaissance. But we allow them to actually drop weapon systems that are going to save ground troops' lives.
Good.
The bombs we build are inherently dangerous. A 500-pound bomb has roughly 45% of its weight in explosives. But the more you work, the more you ask questions, the more you realize, with all the precautions that we take, there's nothing that can really go wrong. My favorite part of the MOS is just how it affects actual Marines, actual soldiers. It always starts with Marines and soldiers in a bad place. They're pinned down, they don't know if they're gonna make it to their next meal. But the second our ordnance falls, and the second they feel the shock wave from a 1,000-pound GPS bomb, relief sets in. They now know they're gonna make it to their next meal. My part of that was making sure that the quality of those bombs were spectacular and the time they got there was on par. Our role is to protect our troops that are on the ground, to make sure when they're backed into a corner, we can get them out of it. Our role is to get the parts for these bombs, throw them together as quickly as possible, and deliver them to the line. It is as cool as it sounds.